We will look at developing the Gradio-based application for our text comprehension application. So in this case, first of all, we are importing the Gradio. We are installing the Gradio here in this cell using pip install -q Gradio. So this would install the Gradio in our Google Colab. So let us wait first. Let us get it finished first. Okay, now it is installing the Gradio in Google Colab. Okay, the installation is successful. Now, after installation of the Gradio in Google Colab, we are importing Gradio as GR in this cell. Now we can just use the GR. Once this Gradio would be imported as GR, we can use GR everywhere for creating the interfaces. Okay, now this cell has executed successfully. After that, in this cell, we are defining a question. After that, in this cell, we are defining a function with the name of answer. So we are creating a question answering pipeline. In that, we would pass the question and it would give us the answer from the corresponding article. So in this set, first of all, we are using question underscore set. We are declaring a dictionary. In that dictionary, we have two keys, the question and the corresponding question, and the context, that is the Wikipedia underscore text. We can change this text to any desired article or text. So after that, we are getting the results using the NLP pipeline and passing that dictionary as the argument. And this function would return us the results. And from the results, we are getting the answer. So once we will run this function here, then it would define this whole pipeline in the form of this function. After that, in this cell, we are using outbox is equal to, this would be the outbox for which will show our answer. We are using Gradio, which was imported as gr.outputs.textbox. So this text box would be the output. This module outputs actually defines various classes that can serve as the output to an interface. So each class must inherit from output component. Then we have this function, which is the text box. This is the text box class. This creates a text area for user to enter string input or display string output. Preprocessing means passes text area values as string into the function. Then at line number 2, we are using gr.interface. Again, this interface would be a class. In that, we are passing the answer, the outputs, and after that we are launching. The details of the interface are, the interface class is a high-level